Sanibona bafethu uVandile. So there are these links Orlando Pirates being linked with uMatuluti yabo. Ngishona ke bafethu abantu abaningi bayawazi lama links la umjida have been linked with Orlando Pirates ever since last season. If you remember last season yena beno Oswina Police, it was rumored ukuthi ke uma kuphela isizini ya last season bazojoin iOrlando Pirates bobabili. But ke into eyenza leyo deal ingabi impumelelo uThabang Matuluti waba ne-injury engekho right yabo. Orlando Pirates ke ya decide ukuthi ke ihlehle kancane ukuthi ke bemsayine ubani na uThabang Matuluti because wayezofika kuOrlando Pirates ene-injury angayitholi game time angadlali kahle ugcina umjida esepushelwa emuva. Orlando Pirates ke ya decide approach abani na ya approach Oswina Police yedwa. So kuthiwa ke Orlando Pirates isirenewile ke i-interest yayo ekumsayineni uThabang Matuluti. I don't wanna lie, Thabang Matuluti is one of the best right backs akhona currently. Yabo umjida uyadlala kahle kakhulu. I saw him playing against Mamelodi Sundowns. The guy was relentless. Indlela temaka ngakhona umjida ubekhombisa ngempela ukuthi ke une-passion. Uyakhombisa ukuthi umdlali wani na umdlali ubafana bafana umjida uyalazi ibhola. Yabo yena being linked with the Orlando Pirates and also being linked with the Mamelodi Sundowns is a big thing for him. So going to Mamelodi Sundowns, I don't think Mamelodi Sundowns izomsign uThabang Matuluti. He is likely to go to the Orlando Pirates. Reason why ngisho njalo is because once ubheka iSundowns there is uMudau and there is uZuko Mdunyelwa. Mudau and uZuko Mdunyelwa by quality yabo by quality, so I wouldn't see Mamelodi Sundowns approaching another quality right back okubani na umjida lo Matuluti. So umjida i-option yakhe ukuthi ke aye kwi-Pirates or i-Kaizer Chiefs, and I don't see Kaizer Chiefs beating Orlando Pirates in signing ubani na uMatuluti. My worry is here because I know 100%, I'm not saying 100% sure we Pirates, but 80% i-chance ukuthi ke uzojoin i-Pirates because kwamele bajoyine beno-Oswina Police. There is 80% sure ukuthi ke uzoyijoin i-Pirates. Into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo la yila uma umjida eyijoin Orlando Pirates, what about the right backs now currently? I know we have one of the best right backs ekhona right now ukubani na uSibelebele. Sibelebele umjida udlala kahle currently yabo udlala kahle, and there are many shouts that are saying umjida should be included kwi-squad ebafana bafana esizohamba naso akwazi ukushintshisana benobani na benayo umdawu. So uSibelebele currently is playing very good for Orlando Pirates, and umjida ke uyakwazi ukumshintsha abe i-winger futhi uSibelebele, but ke I don't like uSibelebele edlala as i-winger or right as a right wing back. So you have uSibelebele, you have players like Abo Shandu. I know Shandu uyahamba. We have players like Abo Ndlozi abalone out. We have players like Abo Van Rooyen. uVan Rooyen ke uyabe nenkinga yokuba nama-injury, but ke bakhona uVan Rooyen. Many players adlala kuleya position leya. So iwari yami ukuthi ke silande uThabang Matuluti. Ukulanda kwaThabang Matuluti sizombeka kuleya position leyana. There are players okumele bahambe, not umdlalo oyedwa, not ababili, because I know uShandu uyahamba. Njoba nje ihamba uShandu, kumele kuhambe uShandu yedwa yabo. Kumele kube khona nabanye bazohamba kuleya position, because we cannot just bring a player like uThabang Matuluti, because trust me, uThabang Matuluti is a first team player. He's not a player that you can start from the bench. This is a first team player yabo. So me asafike kuOrlando Pirates angafike kumele aqale as a first team player yabo. Imagine playing with uThabang Matuluti ka right, mase uthi ka left kuba uDion Hoto, mase ukuthi ke center back pairing kube center back pairing yethu yabo. Lapho iOrlando Pirates iqinile, umjidi uyakwazi ukuya phambili. He's what we need because he knows how to go up front and provide those long balls and provide those crosses esiwadingayo lapha phambili yabo. So he's that type of player we needed to Orlando Pirates. So when we sub him off and introduce uSibelebele, that is how we are going to capitalize on these guys. That is how we are going to beat all of these teams. So my question is that ibapha abadlali kumele sibadedele kuleya position ukuze ke sizokwazi ukuthi ke caterishe for ubani na for yena uThabang Matuluti. It's a very difficult situation. There is this guy uyangikhohle igama lakhe, azi indlela aba nama-injury ngayo, uyangikhohle igama lakhe, but udlalela iPirates yabo. Lila ekhanda wakora ngedabi. Oh ma mfethu umjida uhleze edlala kwiPirates, uyangikhohle igama lakhe. Inkinga akadlali njalo yabo, ushawa ama-injury. Omunye wabadlali mina ngokwami bengingabona ukuthi ke simdedele umjida washaya i-grab down ngedabi mfethu bayigama lakhe. Konke ngiyabakhohlwa laba jida. There are many players who are playing in that right back position yabo. but-ke ungangitshela wona ngokwakho ibaba abadlali kumele sibalande, ibaba abadlali esimeke sibadedele ukuze-ke simsayine uThabo Madulude, or do you think umjida kumele simyeke singamsayini si-right kuleya position? Inkinga leya position inebhadi lani na, inebhadi lama-injury.